Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Did you know that not washing your hands in the kitchen is one of the fastest ways that you can spread germs, especially if you've just touched your hair, your face, your clothes, your skin, or raw meat. So let's head over to the sink and learn how to wash our hands. It's recommended to wash your hands for 20 seconds. So turn on the water to nice and hot, lather up your hands with some soap, and scrub them really good for about 20 seconds. If you don't want to count to 20 seconds, you can just sing happy birthday. Make sure you scrub under your fingernails, in between your fingers, and up your wrists. Make sure you're getting all of those germs off. Then rinse it off. Make sure the water is nice and as hot as you can stand. Then turn off the water using the back of your hand and dry them thoroughly. Did you just recently cut up some onions? What about some garlic? Or maybe you've been working with some fish. So your hands probably have that weird, gross smell that you don't want to smell like for 3 days. But did you know that if you wash your hands with a little bit of mouthwash, it can help take out the smell? Just pour into your hands a little bit of the Listerine, rub it all over your hands, especially on your fingers where the smells are, and rinse it off. And if you want to make sure you got it really good, just do it another time. Are you a huge fan of beets, but you hate that they turn your fingers purple? Did you know that if you take some toothpaste that has peroxide in the toothpaste and you rub it onto your hands and then you wash it off, it'll help take off all of that purple. If you liked this episode with all these tips and tricks to help you be more successful in the kitchen, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.